Hey everyone, Canadian Trucker here. It's Tuesday, December 17th. I don't know where I am. Somewhere rest area between Bloomington, Illinois and Morton, Illinois. Just had that sirloin steak MRE last night, and damn was it good. So, been kind of thinking all day on this, and we're gonna do this MRE Nation Extreme Menu 3 barbecue chicken. Tear into that tonight. And yeah, let's see what we got in this one. Holy crap. This one's stuffed. So right off the bat we got 2 orange drinks. We got a fruit punch and a pink lemonade. Dry roasted peanuts, instant white rice, multigrain snack bread, peanut butter, and grape jelly, of course. Oatmeal chocolate chunk cookie, cream cheese icing, and sweetened condensed milk. Barbecue chicken breast. It feels like a chicken breast. Lots of sauce in there, holy crap. Instant mashed potatoes, FRH beverage bag, and this one comes with the fork and the knife, salt and pepper, and a napkin. This is what was supposed to be in that sirloin steak I did last night, but Renee Allen, oh, I don't know, she messes things up. So our little accessory thing, we got coffee creamer, sugar, no, I don't know what the hell that is. But there's our sugar. Another fruit punch. Lemon and lime. Salt, pepper, rockets. I've been corrected on that, and I'll be from now on saying rockets, even though it says Smarties. Our spoon. We got to get things cooking and heat it up and onto a tray. Alright, so first things first, sweetened condensed milk. What do you guys figure we should put that on tonight? The cookie? We got the icing on the cookie. Would it go with peanuts? I don't think so. Peanut butter and grape jelly on the snack bread? That's something Tracy would do. I'm not going to go that far. I think there's only one real option for the sweetened condensed milk, and that's just down the hatch. So, mashed potatoes, white rice, both of them call for 4 ounces of boiling water. Bob didn't give us anything to mix that up with other than this beverage bag. So we're going to go ahead and fill that up to 8 ounces. There we are, 8 ounces of water. Got our white rice. Dump that right in there. And we got our mashed potatoes. Got that in there too. You know, that guy out in San Francisco made $1 million, put macaroni and rice together. Maybe mashed potatoes and rice. I'm gonna be a bit, oh shit. It just like bulged real bad as if it was gonna blow up in my face. So we're gonna give it a bit of air. Whew, that was tense. And we're just gonna mix it. That's hot. That's boiling water. Look at that. You got rice and mashed potatoes. Really hot. Really, really hot. And we're gonna let that sit. Oh, a few minutes anyway. We can give our drinks a try. I didn't label them. I made just 2 half bottles. One's lemonade, one's fruit punch, and then we did the full bottle of orange. Let's see if we can tell the difference. This fruit punch. Tastes just like fruit punch. Pink lemonade. Yep. Nothing fancy. And orange. I gotta be honest. It calls for 8 ounces. That's what I used. You could use a little bit less, Tracy. Maybe bring it down to about 6 ounces. Well, we had our chicken boiling in our water for a few minutes. That smells good. Oh shit, that smells real good. It's got quite a bit of, don't dump. I'm not showing you. It smells like a barbecue kind of roasted chicken you might get at the grocery store that's already cooked. Kind of like that. Now we have our hands on here and we have to get in our damn fork pack, so bear with me. Out it comes. It's chicken breast. That's one piece. Pretty darn thick. Eight ounces. And I put that in the wrong little chamber. I gotta save this. Pour it over my rice and mashed potatoes because everybody gave me shit the other day, last night, this morning, whenever you watch that video. I threw out that steak juice, so we won't do that again. Alright, there's our dry roasted peanuts, oatmeal chocolate chunk cookie with cream cheese icing. Got our chicken breast here. It's real, it smells good. That's what mashed potatoes and rice looks like when you put them all together. And there's our wheat snack bread and peanut butter and that dark purple grape jelly. That looks like a pretty decent meal. Let's give it a try. So this fucking guy just showed up, joined the party. He's just gonna let his truck run. Hopefully you can still hear me. First things first, we're gonna dive into these peanuts. Roasted and salted. Those are good. Those are just like those jars of peanuts you buy at the Costco or whatever. Nothing wrong with them. Next we'll get into our snack bread and peanut butter, grape jelly, as you see. This is, I think I've said before, this is one of my favorite snacks. I really do enjoy this. There's a reason I enjoy that. It's pretty dang good. Now, we're gonna take a look at this. Mashed potato. So, the problem there is mashed potatoes hold together, rice does not. And when you play with it too much, the rice plays tricks on you. So we're gonna do a quicker close-up. I don't know how to do this. There it is. Hopefully not on the floor. That's boring as hell. I put the salt and pepper in there too. It helps, but I'm probably not going to make $1 million from that one, which is a shame. I'd have shared with you guys. I'm going to dig into this chicken now. This isn't a good. Everything's dropping. Shoot. There it is. Focus, 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 focus. That's got a really nice flavor. This is barbecue chicken. It is a little bit dry in the middle, but we got a ton of our juice here. We're gonna throw that on our ricey potatoes, as well as our chickeny chicken. And in our peanuts. Yeah. That's how my life goes. Now I bet you want to see this now. So there we go. We put all our sauce on there now. You know, add flavor to everything. Oh, you guys want to see the rice on the floor? Yeah, my carpet's dirty. But yeah, let's try it again. So chicken and rice with our stuff. That really doesn't do it for me either. I don't know what the answer is to that. Let's see if it helped the chicken. Well, you win some, you lose some. I've never been one to dump the extra sauce over top of my stuff. And this is why it smelled good. I thought it'd be good, but it's not to my taste. You guys would probably like it. The rice and mashed potatoes, throw butter in there or something maybe, and that would fix it up. The chicken's good, just a little dry, but what do you expect? I mean, is what it is. I'm gonna wash it down with some orange. And the cookie just broke. Oatmeal chocolate chunk, cream cheese icing. That's freaking awesome. That's the star of tonight's show. Holy shit. So I guess that about does it. Peanuts were awesome. That cookie and icing was way awesome. Peanut butter, grape jelly on wheat snack bread. Awesome as usual. The chicken had great flavor. It's a great meal. I mean, the steak was better that I had last night for sure, but there's nothing wrong with this. I would eat this again. The rice and mashed potatoes, okay, clearly don't do that. It would be fine. I don't know what I was to expect, but I mean, two bland items, put them together, they're still gonna be pretty freaking bland. The sauce on top didn't do it for me, but it might for you. Now, one thing I should have mentioned last night, this meal, as well as the one last night, if I got that at a truck stop, I wouldn't be upset at all. This stuff is actually quite a bit better than some truck stops. Not all of them. There's a reason we're all, you know, heavy, but some of them are pretty sketchy and shitty, and yeah, I mean, it's half the reason I eat these things. But if last night's meal was a 10 out of 10, I would give this one a good solid 8 for sure. Maybe even higher. Really nothing you could do to improve this. The drinks were all great too. Orange, lemonade, fruit punch. So yeah, I'm gonna eat most of this except for that mashed potato rice nonsense and some of the peanuts that got contaminated. So yeah, there it is. Extreme Menu 3 from MRE Nation. Barbecue chicken. Thanks for coming, everybody. We'll see you next time.